I don't want to get it from the fish pond because it takes time. I look crazy over here. Shout out to you. Ano yan? Makarawod. Hey, paano pag nahulog ako dito? Ang tabo ba, ma? Kay dako ni Duro. Bayin lugod. Kuan. Hulog sa lugod. Thank you for following. Come on here. Aren't you thinking I am crazy right here? Please, tap and share to the live. Good morning. Mama ka di ka, happy Sunday. Welcome. Haroy, di pagod ini na charge. Ma! Yeah, I'm a little bit tiny in real life. The pipes! Thank you so much! Thank you so much. Waiting at my mom. Ma! Makadi ka nga ni dadaan tabo. Halayon la, ma. Tagaan piso. Thank you, Benot! Benot, thank you so much! Tapos, anak kong charger ang may lamis sakay. Halayon la, ma, kay adida mo na takbiwer, ma. What's the bottle for? I'm collecting water from the fish pond and put it here instead of getting water from the pump. And, banner. Oh, I forgot! Wait a minute, let me put the Philippines over there. Where is that? Where is that? Comment? Comment. I don't know where it is. It's morning over here. Please, thank you for following. Sticker na. Let me put here the Philippines. Maybe they're looking up something over there. Like Philippines. Can I borrow? Yes. User 94. Thank you so much. Makadi ka, ma? Thank you for following me, everyone. Hello, Joet. Makarawod, lugod. Yeah, I'll transfer you over here so that it's morning. Here. Hi, Ballet. See that one? Is the beans. Yeah. Go wanna water them. It's drought. So it's okay. I'm not wearing a slipper because this is a grassy area. See the one? It's a grass. Diri ada makade, mama. Ma, diri ka makade? It's beautiful over here. It's greening. Here, I'm collecting water here. Do you know this one? It's deep. Ano tanom? Kuan niya kanang may pichay. There's also pechay and also beans. Ano tawag niya? Ano yung beans? Nakalimutan ko na. Utong. Tapos mahulog tayo. You know, in this fish pond, I did what you call that? Added the snails. I pointed the snails. Periwinkle. You know periwinkle. I put 3, 2, 3. Like that. Then. This type of a beans is called beet. Kakahiya ko. Karawad. Mas, come here. Come here. Katman si come here. Ada may lamisa di da ang magawas ma. It's beautiful here, isn't it? Sorry. The pump is a little bit far. I have to support them because it's drought. It's summer. It's hot. Hala, din kachime. My goat is here. Mas kami here. Come here. What good thing here is there's already a butterfly. Ay. Ito na lang ako. Malapit na. I can't stop. Okay. Damo no? Damo ko an.
Oh.
Malubat na akong cellphone.
Pwede pa parehas yan silang charger.
Dere mag-under yan na dara. Retired na ada hiya. Ay. What if mahulog siya? Sige lang. Sabihin ko nang need help.
Ay, si Lona, oh. Lona. Lona.
Dami nga na dara. Hindi siya na dara. Sige lang na. Butang lang ba? Para ba? Some alligator. Na?
Saan ka magkabo?
Laman fish pond. Ibutang ko laad to na akong kuan.
Oo, puto kanina yung ka, nagring-ring na.
Amo nga ni.
Kumusta di plug da?
Adto damo. Nala. Wait lang charge ko lang. Talubat na kasi siya. Pero may under one. Na? Wala ka. Hindi rin na yan charge. Anong gagawin ko? Wait a minute. Ay, Bell, yun. Zero na ngayon ini. Ha? I'll show you some egg. Anayla. Wait. Lobat na ngayon. I'll show you my eggs. They're here. Look, there's butterflies. No, the background. My backyard. Okay?
Si Lona.
Mas kami. Ay, hala. Wara, iya tong ginkuan. Tabunan. Iya tong linulungkuran.
Alam siguro niyang kukunin.
This egg. These are eggs. Here. Oh, damot butterfly. Wow. Damot butterfly didi. Okay. Na. Tapay ba? Mas kami. Kuhaan akong power bank. Matikalobat naman ini. Ay. Duck egg.